Hey guys, I'm back to do another tutorial. I have done one of these before, the reverse flower dip, but I got me a bigger canvas. This one's an 8x8. Not much bigger, but hopefully it's going to allow me to get more color in my flower because I can put more paint on the canvas. First we're going to, I already flooded it with the white background. Tape the bottom and put my little stick pins in there. That's all taken care of. Now we're going to set our little dessert cup in the middle. As close as we can estimate. I don't measure everything. It's isn't meant to be perfect like a machine or something. This is art. Our colors today are going to be metallic cobalt blue and Deco Art 24 karat gold and Deco Art white pearl. Let's get started. Start with the cobalt blue. I still want to try to make sure I'm getting even amounts in each petal, which can be challenging. This is not such a large canvas that I'm not going to still be blowing this paint off of the top. It dips down there, so the paint wants to kind of puddle up in there. Now our Deco Art white pearl. And now our 24 karat gold. Now to decide if I'm going to turn it, and last time I didn't do that. I'm going to put some more on this level, then I'll make a decision. Those other canvas, that 6x6 was so small, I could never do but one layer of each color. I wasn't too happy with that. So, even though I did get some pretty results, it was kind of a pain. Now this side of my flower is a lot bigger than this side. I don't know how that happened, but it's pretty noticeable. Okay. Pick this up, turn it. Last bit of paint. Okay, take this off. The gnats here are just driving me insane. think that's all I'm going to do to it. Now for the fun part. Wet our napkin. Fold it in half. Straighten it out best you can. Now place it on half of the canvas. Fold the other half over. Gently tap. Okay. Bring our corners, opposite corners, draw it up to the middle. Draw this one up to the middle, this one up to the middle. Pull in our little flaps. It's got really wet. And then this little flap. Draw them in. Slowly pull up. Let's see what this is going to do. See some lacing starting to develop. Bring it over to this way a little bit. What do you guys think? Myself, I liked it better before I put the napkin on, but trying to get this, you don't get the lacing if you don't do the napkin part. And that's the whole point of this technique, is to create a chemical reaction, more or less, from pulling that napkin up off of it. Does it still look like a flower? Not as much as it did before I put the napkin on it. That's why I say, you know, if you're obsessed with it looking exactly like a flower, the dip part can ruin it for you sometimes. Then you're not going to get the cool effects. I'm not going to try to do anything to it to change the middle or anything. It's all swoopy looking, and I don't know that anything that I could do would make a difference. So let's torch it real quick. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I will be back to do another demonstration within the next day or two. I hope you're all having a good summer, and I will be seeing you soon. Bye. Sorry guys, I keep forgetting to do the close-up at the end. Today I've been just off all day, so I apologize. But here's a good close-up. All metallics in this this piece. So we got quite a bit of lacing along the edges and there in the middle, but turn it different ways and let you see how it looks from different angles, because it is different, you know. It will always look different from different angles, but I'm pretty happy with the way that it turned out. I hope you liked it too. See you soon. Bye-bye.